Have you ever wondered what a personal brand statement is? Your brand is how you show up to the world, how people see you, how your future customers interact with the personality behind your company or your movement. Your personal brand statement or your company brand statement is pretty much just a summary of everything that you do. It holds vital importance. And in this video, we're talking about it. We're talking about why you should tell everyone about what you do, how your personal brand statement helps you generate leads online, and how you can use your personal brand statement to collect your dream customers. All this and more, so stay tuned. A super simple way to show everyone what your personal brand is all about is to come up with a 1 or 2 sentence statement about what it is you do, and then put it everywhere. Put it everywhere. Make sure that everyone knows what it is you do. Maybe they're not going to be one of your customers, but they might know someone who needs your service. So make sure that everyone you know, your friends, your family, everyone knows what it is you do. If you know my story, you know that I tried to build businesses completely in the dark. I didn't want my friends or families to know until I became a millionaire. Well, I'll tell you the truth, it's really, really hard to do that. It's really, really hard to build credibility and to build your brand and your network if you don't actually show up and tell people you can help solve problems. So for me, that didn't work. But then when I switched, then when I decided that I was going to tell everyone what it is that I do, everything changed. And so my simple action step I want you guys to take is to come up with your 1 or 2 sentence elevator pitch, whatever you want to call it, your motto, whatever you want to call it, and put it in your email footer. You can program your email footer so that it sends out something nice every single time you send out an email, and it has that information down in the bottom. You can also, of course, put your social media profiles on there as well, and any other links to things that you might have to offer. But most importantly, you want to let people know what it is you do, and start with your brand statement. Talking about your brand statements, put them down in the comments below. I want to hear what it is that you guys stand for. Let us know down below. So on your email footer, you're going to put your personal brand statement, and I also mentioned you're going to put your social profiles. So you want to make sure on your social profiles, you've also put your brand statement. Why? Because that cohesion between your email and your socials, vital, but also your customers who land on your socials who haven't seen your emails yet, they also want to know what it is that you do. What kinds of problems can you solve? So make sure that you're adding it onto your Instagram in your bio. You're adding it into your funnel pages. You're adding it into your websites. You're adding it onto your Facebook profile. All of those. You want to make sure that that brand statement is everywhere. Also, let's go deeper. One action step I want you guys to take is to create a post on all of the platforms that you're on and tell people what it is you do. Go schedule them to pan out or to send out in the next couple days, and let your people know about your brand. And there will be parts of that brand statement that you're going to be able to utilize on different types of content continuously. You're constantly getting new people into your world and familiarizing them with your brand. So use fresh and current content to help introduce them to your brand. And start with your brand statement. Consider it like the handshake of your business. Also, the handshake, or I should say the high five of your business, would be to high five that subscribe button and join us here on the Visibility Hacking channel, because we got so much content coming out for you guys to help level up your small businesses and help get you seen. I also mentioned that it's really important to make sure that your brand statement is also on your website and any web pages that your customers might land on, regardless of where they are in your value ladder. Your brand statement should be an all-encompassing phrase. Your brand statement should speak to every level and every part of the experience your customers may have with your brand. So think about what that brand statement is. Think really long and hard, and then make sure that you're incorporating that into your web pages and into your funnel design. And what a simple way to do this is to join us in the Visibility Hacking Facebook group, because we do a walkthrough. We're going to do a walkthrough very soon in the group that'll show you what you need in terms of taking your brand statement to the next level. What other kinds of pieces of information, what stories do you need to tell in order to grab the attention of your dream customers and put them onto your websites? How can you use conversion design to create those websites that are actually going to bring people into your world? So I will show you how to get into that program. All you have to do is join us first in the Visibility Hacking Facebook group. You can find us on Facebook, or you can go to visibilityhacking.com. If you go to that website, on the very top corner is a link to become an official visibility hacker. Join us there. It'd be fantastic to see you guys in the group, and we will tell you about all of the fun exclusive trainings that are happening absolutely free in our community. So join us for that one. In the meantime, I'll see you very, very soon. This video is really, really good. You should check it out. I will see you very soon in our next video. And until then, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other. Just go live.